In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance the layout of your Excel worksheet by adding or removing rows and columns. This is an essential skill for keeping your spreadsheets clear, organized, and easy to read, which ultimately facilitates better data analysis and presentation. Let's start with adding a new row or column. Imagine you're working with a data set and you realize you need to insert additional information. The first thing you want to do is click on any cell where you plan to make the insertion. It's crucial to know that this cell determines where your new row or column will appear. If you're looking to insert a new row, click on a cell in the row below where you'd like the new one to go. For columns, click on a cell in the column to the right of where you want the new column. Once you've selected the appropriate cell, navigate to the Home tab, which is conveniently located in the main task ribbon at the top of your screen. Look for the Insert option. Clicking here will present you with choices where you can select either Insert Sheet Row if you're adding a row, or Insert Sheet Column if it's a column you're after. This action automatically shifts existing rows downward or columns to the right, creating space for your new data. Now, say you've got some extra rows or columns that you no longer need. They're just cluttering up your spreadsheet. It's time to remove them. Start by clicking on a cell within the row or column you want to get rid of. It's important to make sure you've selected a cell that corresponds exactly with what you want to remove, as this ensures precision in your actions. With the correct cell selected, go back to the Home tab. This time, tap on Delete, which is nestled right beside Insert. You'll again see options tailored for your needs. Choose whether you want to delete the row or the column. Excel will handle the rest, neatly collapsing your spreadsheet to fill in the space left behind by the deleted row or column, thereby maintaining the integrity and flow of your data layout. These tools are not just useful, but can significantly enhance how you work with data by simplifying your view and allowing you to maintain a functional, coherent layout. And remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these features, the more efficiently you'll navigate your worksheets, saving time and increasing productivity. With these techniques in your toolkit, you're now equipped to organize your Excel spreadsheets like a pro. Happy Excelling!